This video will help you get started with your new Xsens motion tracking product. This introduction applies to all products in the MTi 1 series, 10 series, and 100 series. We will cover installing the MTi software suite, connecting your MTi for the first time, and visualizing and logging measurements using MT Manager. You can download the required software components on our website. Simply navigate to Support, then Software Downloads, and click the MT Software Suite. The MT Software Suite consists of several components. First, MT Manager is an easy-to-use graphical user interface, which allows you to easily configure, visualize, and log your measurements, as well as set up more advanced features. We will use MT Manager later in this video to obtain our first measurements. In addition, the software suite contains the MT Software Development Kit, which includes software libraries and example code to help you integrate the MTi in your own application. The Magnetic Field Mapper is a software tool used to calibrate your device for magnetic distortions. Finally, the software suite includes comprehensive documentation for all MTi products. Let's start recording our first measurements. First, open MT Manager and look for the device list on the left side of the window. Connect your MTi to the computer using the supplied USB cable. Then scan for new devices. Your device will now appear in the device list. We're now ready to start recording data. Open the Output Configuration options to see which parameters the sensor is currently outputting. You can check and uncheck outputs or change their output frequency here. Several presets are available. For now, we will use the XDA processing preset. Data recorded in this preset can be reprocessed using different filter profiles. This is not possible with data recorded with onboard processing. For more advanced settings, open the MT Settings window. Here you can also review calibration parameters, test results, firmware revision, rotation matrices, and other MTi information. We will not change these settings now. In the background, your MTi has started outputting data as soon as it appeared on your device list. You can visualize this by opening the 3D orientation view. Rotate the MTi to validate that the orientation is actively being computed. We can also view real-time plots of the outputted data. For example, open the inertial data view to see calibrated accelerometer, gyroscope, and magnetometer outputs. To start recording measurements, click the Record button. Apply some rotations to your MTi, then stop recording by clicking the Record button again. Click Open File to load the measurements you just logged. We will use the default processing options. Now reopen the 3D orientation view and the inertial data plots, and click the Play button to begin playback. You can export your measurements to an ASCII file for further processing with other programs. To configure your export configurations, navigate to Tools, Preferences, Exporters. You can again check or uncheck the parameters you would like to export. Finally, click File, Export to convert your measurements to an ASCII text file. For further information, please refer to the MT Manager User Manual, which you can find in the documentation folder of MT Software Suite. In order to find out more about the technical details of your MTi product, Refer to the MTi user manual for the 10 series and the 100 series, or the MTi 1 series datasheet. These documents cover topics such as specifications, system architecture, calibration, and synchronization. If you would like to start integrating your MTi product into your own application, a good place to start is the MT Low-Level Communication document. This document explains how to connect and communicate with your MTi product using the XBus communication protocol. We've reached the end of this tutorial video. If you have any questions or if you need help with your application, please visit us at BASE. BASE is our online support platform where you can find knowledge base articles, frequently asked questions, and an active community forum where you can get in touch with our engineers and product specialists. Thank you for watching.